Hi students, hope you all are safe and fine. Welcome to your English class. This is the part 2 video on the chapter adjective. Last day we had learned what is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Say for example, fluffy bunny, delicious pizza, messy bedroom, beautiful rainbow, blue shirt. So the describing words like fluffy, delicious, beautiful, messy, blue, happy, all these are adjectives. Now today we will look into a new kind of adjectives, that is interrogative adjectives. So students, what is an interrogative adjective? Interrogative adjectives are words such as which, whose and what that are used along with nouns to ask questions. Say for example, which plants should be watered twice a week? In this sentence, plants is the subject of a sentence and plants is qualified or described by a word which, hence which becomes an interrogative adjective. Next one, what book are you reading? In this sentence also what is describing the noun book, hence becomes an interrogative adjective. Students, I think you will remember while doing the chapter pronouns and kinds of pronouns, we had also learnt about the interrogative adjective while discussing the basic difference between an interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective. So please do not confuse interrogative adjectives with interrogative pronouns. An interrogative adjective is a word that modifies a noun by asking a question. Interrogative adjectives are also known as interrogative determiners. The interrogative adjectives are what, which and whose. Interrogative adjectives modify nouns and are used in interrogative sentences, that is, in case of questions. Let's have a look into some very easy examples of interrogative adjectives. What car will they give us? Which car will they give us? Whose car will they give us? In all these three sentences, the noun car has been described with the word what, which and whose. So what, which and whose becomes interrogative adjectives. Now look at these sentences, students. Which is the greater? What are you buying? Whose shall I borrow? In these examples, the bold texts which, what and whose are not interrogative adjectives, They are interrogative pronouns. Why? Because they stand alone. They do not modify nouns or pronouns. I think you have got it. Now compare the examples above with these similar examples. Which risk is the greater? What drinks are you buying? So in these two sentences, which risk, which is qualifying or describing the word risk, and in the latter one, what drinks are you buying, what is qualifying the word drink, a noun, hence it becomes adjective. So that's all for today, students. Stay safe. Bye bye. Meet you in the DCC class.